Hello students, you all are welcome. So on my previous video I was uploaded part 1 trigonometric ratio of compound angles, only short question, maybe 8 questions are there. Now today in this video from part 1 trigonometric ratio of compound angles, I'm going to provide you long questions. There are around 5-6 questions are there. Hope you can enjoy this video. Let's take a start. Look, you can see here question number 1. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus a is equal to, we have to prove that cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. First of all, we have to take LHS here. Take LHS tan pi by 4 plus a. This is in the form of tan a plus b, and I was already provided you formula before starting this exercise. Tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So we can write tan in the place of a pi by 4. So we have to write pi by 4 tan a plus tan b. In the place of b, what is here? A. So we have to write on a 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan pi by 4 tan a. Hope you understand this, how to use formula tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. I am going to write formula here also, tan a plus b, and the formula is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, now what is the value of tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 means 45 and tan 45 means 1. So we can write here 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means tan 45, and the value of tan 45 means 1. 1 into tan a is equal to tan a. So we can write here directly tan a. Okay, look at there, what we have to prove. We have to prove cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. It means we have to convert this tan in the form of sin and cos. Let's convert this. 1 plus, in the place of tan we can write sin a by cos a. 1 minus, in the place of tan, formula of tan, sin a by cos a. This formula in class 8 also, 9 also. Okay, now we have to take LCM. I will erase this formula. Okay, now taking LCM here. What is the LCM here? Cos a. LCM is cos a. Cos a into 1, it will be cos a. Plus sin a is here, write on sin a. Similarly, in denominator also we have to take LCM. LCM is cos a. Cos a into 1, it will be cos a. Minus is here, so write on minus. Sin a, write on sin a. After this cos a and cos a cancel. So what is remaining here? Cos a plus sin a by cos a minus sin a. Hope you understand this problem. If you any confusion in this question, you can watch this video again so you can understand properly. Tan a plus b formula using here, tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b, and tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45 and tan 45 means 1 plus tan a, which is here. Tan pi by 4 means 1 into tan a means tan a directly. Now we have to prove that cos a plus sin a cos a minus sin b means we have to convert tan in the form of sin and cos. So in the place of tan, write on sin by cos. This also tan, we have to write sin by cos, because formula of tan a is sin a by cos a. We have to convert in the form of sin and cos. So after this we have to take LCM. Cos denominator cancel, so remaining cos a plus sin a, cos a minus sin a, which is in RHS. So at last we can write RHS proved. Hope you understand this question. Now look at next question, and the next question is, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, prove that 1 plus tan a 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Here already given, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now we have to prove 1 plus tan a 1 plus tan b is equal to. Maximum times repeated this question. Don't miss this type of question. I brought here only important question from every exercise, every parts. There are 7 parts, and I will provide you each and every parts solution, which is very important question. And after learning these all question, you can able to do any kind of trigonometric question in SE examination or NCRT in class 10 or any board. So look at here, if a plus b is equal to pi by 4, let's start solution. Here what is given? A plus b is equal to pi by 4. A plus b, the value of a plus b is equal to pi by 4. We have to prove in the form of tan, so we have to take tan both sides. So taking tan both sides, we have to take tan both sides. Tan a plus b is equal to tan pi by 4. Now this is in the form of tan a plus b, and here tan pi by 4. Tan a plus b, what is the formula of tan a plus b? I already provided you before starting this part 1. Tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Same formula we have to use here. If you don't know formula, you cannot do trigonometric problems. So I am request to all the students to learn formula, then only start problems. Tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45, and the value of tan 45, 1. So what we have to write here? 1. After this we have to prove there. Look at there, in this pattern we have to convert this in the form of this pattern. So let's cross multiply. Tan a plus tan b is equal to 1 minus tan a tan b. After this, look at there, now we have to take this term tan a minus tan b to the left side. So tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1. Again look at what we have to prove here. Here we have to prove 2, but what we have? 1. It means we have to add 1 both side. When you add 1 both side, it will be 2. So adding 1 both side. Adding 1 both sides. 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1 plus 1. After adding, now you can see here, from these two terms we can take tan B common. Tan B we can take common. So this one, here is no common, so we can write 1 plus tan A plus, from here we have to take tan B common. What is remaining? 1 plus tan A is equal to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now again 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A, so we can take 1 plus tan A common. Nothing is remaining here, so we can write 1 plus tan B. Tan 1 plus tan A already common, so remaining tan B right here is equal to 2. We have to prove this. Proved. Here in this type of question, we are not going to prove LHS is equal to RHS. We have to do in this form, because if this is equal to this, if A plus B is equal to pi by 4 is given, we have to prove that this is equal to this. Don't take LHS. After taking LHS, what you will do? Nothing. So here what is given? If A plus B is equal to this, it means we have to take this. A plus B is equal to pi by 4 we have to take, not LHS, RHS. If this is equal to this, we have to prove this is equal to 2. So we took here A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Suppose sometime according to question, sometime 1 plus cot A, and here also 1 plus cot B is equal to 2. Then what we have to take? We have to take cot both side. If you take tan also, no problem, but at last you have to convert this tan in the form of cot, and tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. If you take tan also, no problem, but you have to convert at last in the form of cot, or you can take directly taking cot both side if you know the formula of cot. Otherwise you can take tan also, no problem. Okay, hope you understand this question. Look at next now, number 3. Here you can see question number, this one is 3. If a plus b is equal to pi by 4, prove that cot a minus cot 1, cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. We have to prove this. I told you before, in this type of question always we have to take this, and taking what we have to take, cot is here, so we have to take cot both sides. You can take tan also. I told you before also, you can take tan, but at last you have to convert in the form of cot. Tan a is equal to 1 by cot a. You have to convert in this form. If you know the formula of cot, you can directly take cot. So here a plus b is equal to pi by 4, taking cot both side, both sides. While taking cot both sides, what we have to write here, cot a plus b is equal to cot pi by 4. Now what is the formula of cot a plus b? Cot a plus b formula is cot b cot a minus 1, cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, and here tan 45 means 1, it means cot pi by 4, cot 45 also 1, reciprocal of tan 45. Cot 45 means reciprocal of tan 45. Tan 45 means 1, it means cot 45 also 1, so we have to write on 1. Same process like before, we have to do cross multiply. Now look at here, cot b cot a minus 1 is equal to, when you cross multiply, cot b plus cot a, and after this we have to convert. Look at here, we need 2, so we have to take this 1 to the left side. Same like before, like tan cot b cot a is equal to, this 2 term we have to take this side, so minus cot b minus cot a, both are positive, so it will be negative, is equal to 1. Here is minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Now what we have to do, adding 1 both sides, because we need 2 here, so adding 1 both sides. Cot b cot a minus cot b minus cot a plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. Now from this 2 term we can take cot b common, remaining cot a minus 1. Similarly from here nothing common, so minus 1 we can take, cot a minus 1 is equal to 2. When minus is common, we have to change the sign, okay, because minus it will be plus. Now from here cot a minus 1, again we can take common here, cot a minus 1. So what is remaining here, cot b minus 1. Cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. We have to prove this. Proved. Hope you understand this question number 3 also. Without wasting our time, let's start question number 4. And the question is, if x plus y is equal to 45, prove that cot x plus 1, cot y plus 1, cot x, cot y is equal to 2. I told you before, if tan, take tan, if cot, take cot, but here I am going to show you, if cot also, I will take tan and then I will convert tan into cot. You can do in that process also. So you can learn here how to convert into tan into cot, and we can prove this. So look at here, solution. Here x plus y is equal to 45. Here is cot, it means no need to take cot only. I told you before, if tan then take tan, if cot then cot. But if cot you can take tan also. Look at here how, taking tan both sides. Taking tan both sides. Tan x plus y is equal to tan 45. Tan x plus y, use the formula of tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by, in the place of ax, in the place of by, 1 minus tan x tan y is equal to 1. After this we have to do cross multiply. Tan x plus tan y is equal to 1. This multiply minus tan x tan y. Okay, now take this term to the left side. Tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1. Okay, up to here. Taking this term tan x tan y to the left side. Here is minus, so it will be plus. Now adding both side 1 because we need 2 also here. So adding 1 both side. When you add 1 plus, I'm going no, you can write here adding 1 both side like before, or you can add directly also. 1 plus tan x plus tan y plus tan x tan y is equal to 1 plus 1. Now from here 1 plus tan x plus from this two term we can take tan y common. So what is remaining here? Nothing then 1 plus here what is remaining? Tan x is equal to 2. Hope you understand this. Again 1 plus tan x we have to take common, or 1 plus tan x common. So remaining here is nothing than 1 plus tan y. 1 plus tan y is equal to 2. Now the game is start from here. Now we have to convert this in the form of cot. 1 plus in the place of tan x we have to write 1 by cot x. Similarly 1 plus in the place of tan y we have to write 1 by cot y is equal to 2. Or taking LCM here, cot x here, cot x plus 1. Similarly this side LCM cot y plus 1 is equal to 2. So what we can write here? Cot x plus 1, this in multiply, so we can write in this form cot y plus 1 by cot x cot y is equal to 2. We have to prove this. Proved. Hope you understand this question number 4. Now the last question I will describe you. Look at properly. The next question is, prove that sin 30 minus theta cos 60 plus theta plus cos 30 minus theta sin 60 plus theta is equal to 1. So we have to take LHS here. LHS sin 30 minus theta cos 60 plus theta plus cos 30 minus theta sin 60 plus theta. This LHS, maximum student what they will do, I will tell you. This is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and what they will do? Sin A plus B means A means 30 minus theta plus B means 60 plus theta, and after that theta cancel. Sin 60 plus 30 plus 60 90, and sin 90 means 1. RHS proof. Shocked? But you will get 4 marks from here. This is a long question, so you cannot do in this process. If you will do this process, you cannot get 1 also. You cannot get good marks. So what we have to do here, look at properly. You cannot do in this process. This 4 marks question, according to marks you have to do. If 1 marks, then you can do in this process, but when marks is 4, then you cannot do in this process. Now what we have to do? Sin A minus B formula you have to use. Sin A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Similarly cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Similarly cos A minus B formula, sin A plus B formula. And after that we have to put the value of sin 30, cos 30, sin 60, cos 60. After putting the values, take common, and at last you will get 1. Hope you can do this question. If you have any problem in this question, please go in comment section and write on. So in next video when I will upload part 2, part 3, I will upload this question also. I'm going to leave this question for our students. You all are very genius. Hope you can do this question. Just we have to use sin A minus B formula, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, and sin A plus B. And after that we have to put the values of sin 30, cos 30, sin 60, cos 30. Hope you can do this question. Thanks for watching till last, and our part 1 is over. Now we are going up little bit up in part 2, and the part 2 is trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. Trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. Now in part 2, first of all I will provide you formula of trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. Then after that in part 2 I will provide you short questions, and same in part 2 I will provide you long questions. If more questions are there, I will divide that part also. Part 2 short questions, part 2 long questions, like this. Okay, if in long questions are more, so I will divide that long questions also in 2 parts, because when video will be lengthy, students feel bored. So I told you before also, please don't do at once all. You can download that video step by 2 questions, 3 questions, just write in your copy and do practice. So it will be helpful in class SEE in class 10. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Please hit the like button, share with your friends. Don't forget to share with your friends. Sharing is caring, so please share with your friends. And if you are new, then subscribe. Thanks for watching till last. Have a good day.